1, go! So we are back to torture another phone, and this time it is the HONOR X9a 5G. It has been touted by HONOR to have the toughest curved OLED display within its class, as this type of displays tend to have durability issues even on the most expensive flagship phones. But before we get on with it, let's talk briefly about the improvements HONOR has done over the previous model. The HONOR X9a 5G succeeds the HONOR X9, which we also previously did a torture test and it survived really well. This isn't a light version of the X9, as the A on the model name means advanced. I mean, the curved OLED screen tells you that already, right? Anyway, this phone is powered by the same Snapdragon 695 processor that supports 5G networks. It has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and a larger 5100 mAh battery that supports 40W HONOR Supercharge. The camera system also makes more sense now, with a 64MP main, 5MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro lens. The HONOR X9a 5G also ships with Android 12 and official Google mobile services pre-installed. As a mid-range smartphone, it really is incredible to see such a beautiful 6.67-inch curved 1.7 billion color OLED display that refreshes at a buttery smooth 120Hz. It also protects eyes from harmful flickers with a 1920Hz PWM dimming technology. Having a curved OLED display has two main benefits. It offers a wider viewing angle due to the borderless edge and improves one-handed usability. But it also has two disadvantages, as it easily breaks if you drop it on the floor, especially if the impact is on the phone's frame, and the curved edges can cause annoying accidental touches. The HONOR X9a 5G aims to resolve such durability issues by using a super reinforced glass which has a thickness of 0.65mm. This is thicker than most other phones that uses a similar display but with a 0.55mm thickness. Therefore, the former achieves a similar toughness as the Corning Glass and Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Also, the HONOR X9a 5G uses a smart AI algorithm to prevent accidental touches on the edges, and I haven't encountered any issues since using the phone for a week. And now, let's get on to the first stress test. Alright, so the first test that we are going to do is the drop test as usual. Now, I'm not going to drop it face down, but I'm going to try to hit the sides because that is where curved screens will tend to crack when they hit the sides. Alright, so that's where the impact point is, and we're going to do it in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, yep, it hit the ground on the side and it's still fine. So we're gonna do it one more time in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so let's take a look now. And apparently, the phone still looks pretty good. As you can see, the screen is flawless. There's no cracks or anything again, but let's just do one more time. We're gonna do a throw test, all right? We're just gonna throw and let it drop on its own. In 3, 2, 1, go. All right, hit on the ground, hit on the back. We're gonna try this one last time. Hopefully it hits in front of the screen, all right? Let's do it, 1, 2, 3, go. All right, it hit the top, the impact's on the top here. And as you can see, the screen still works fine. There are no cracks at all on the screen and it's all perfect. Moving on to the second part of the torture test, we are going to smash items. So we have an apple, we have a can, and we have 3 macadamia nuts here, all right? So we are going to smash the apple first. All right, let's move this aside and we're going to smash it in 3, 2, 1. It doesn't work. Let's do it again. Oh, there you go. Slice of the apple. We are just going to do it again. This is a bad apple. Let's do it. That's a poor apple there. Okay, so apparently screen is full of apples, but no cracks at all. All right, let's move on to the aluminum can here. So I'm not going to smash through the top as we have demonstrated earlier, but I'm just going to hit on the sides because that's where usually curved screens break, right? So we're going to hit it on the side now. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I triggered the emergency SOS, but yeah, as you can see, it works fine. No cracks at all, only the screen protector peeling off right here. So yeah, the screen actually still works fine, and our aluminum can is done for. Finally, let's smash these macadamia nuts. They are literally the hardest thing in the world, right? Let's do it in 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, wow. That's the first one. There's the screen protector peeled off already. And let's do it on the second one in 3, 2, 1, go! All right. Oh, wow. That's a lot of... Let's take off the screen protector, shall we? So you can see that this is actually not a joke here, right? It doesn't crack at all. So as you can see, we no longer have a screen protector already, and we are going to smash the last macadamia nut, shall we? In 3, 2, 1, go! And it's not all broken. Let's do it again. See? Screen still works fine. No cracks at all. And scratches? Wow. No scratches at all. That is amazing. And the final torture test that we are going to do is the bend test. As you can see, I've already clamped the phone onto the table using this industrial grade clamp tool, and it is already applying some pressure on the screen already, and nothing has happened just yet. So as you can see how strong it really is. But then we are going to do an even more extreme test here. We are going to put this 12 kilogram kettlebell on top of the phone screen for a good 1 minute. So I already have a timer set right here, and we are just going to put it on right now. There you go. And I'm just going to hold it just in case it drops off. But yeah, I'm not carrying it at all, as you can see. So we're going to start the timer right now. 3, 2, 1, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, time's up, and we're going to take up the kettlebell and check out whether the phone is bent or not, or if there's any cracks on the screen. Let's loosen up the clamp. Can't you see this? This is just impressive. There's no cracks, and the screen still works well. Everything is all good, just like a new phone. There are no dots on the screen as well. As you can see, we have totally removed the screen protector that we did on the smash test just now, but you can see that there's totally no scratches, no cracks at all, and the screen doesn't have some weird color effects at all. This is just amazing. So there you have it. Isn't the toughness of the curved OLED screen on the HONOR X9a 5G impressive? It really does dispel all your doubts and concerns about the durability of a curved OLED display. The toughness of this display is also certified by Honor Gold label, which they offer up to 180 days of free screen crack replacement if you really truly damage the screen within that period. And that shows how confident Honor is about their products. Alright, so that's all for the torture test on the HONOR X9a 5G. At this time of shooting, I do not have the retail price just yet, but what I heard is that it will be priced below the 1,500 ringgit price tag, so let's keep our fingers crossed that this phone will remain affordable. As for now, thank you for watching. Stay tuned to more videos on our channel. Be sure to subscribe to us and follow us on the usual social media channels, and I'll see you guys in the next one.